Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 35. Fred the farmer has 190 cattle. He has 9 times as many cows as bulls. How many cows and how many bulls does Fred the farmer own? This is a lovely little problem, and if you'd like to solve it, you can pause the video now and see how you go. So here's your chance to pause the video because I'll be going on to the next slide right now to work through the solution. Let the number of bulls be x. So if he had 9 times as many cows, the number of cows is 9x. So the number of bulls plus the number of cows must equal 190. X plus 9x is 10x, so 10x equals 190. If we divide both sides by 10, we get x equals 19 bulls. So how's that for solving the number of bulls? Very straightforward, but this is the important section here. You have to know how to start off with the pronumerals. So then the cows has to be 9 times x. See here, 9 times x, so 9 times 19 is 171. So 19 bulls, 171 cows, and altogether that gives you 190 cattle. I wonder how you went with that. This is a beautiful problem illustrating the power of algebra. And that's one of the reasons why algebra is very, very important in problem solving.